Okay, so hi, what's up, you all? I just wanna let you all know that I auditioned in four different K-pop companies, and yeah, I'm kinda nervous. But the most scary part is that I auditioned in those four companies with one single video, the same video that I used on another. Okay, so what shall I do now? I think that's not even a stupid word at all. By the way, let's move to the topic. Even if I pass or even if I fail, I'm gonna show you the results, okay? Okay, so yeah, that's it all for today, and yeah, support me please. Bye.